Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. I'm very excited today. We're going to be trying out the DecoArt Ready to Pour Fluid Art Acrylics in the vivid pouring colors. This one is Lagoon with, let's see, Aquamarine, Sky Blue, Tropical Blue, and Blue Violet. So I'm very excited about these. I like DecoArt a lot. I use their DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold all the time. I wish that the set had gold in it, but it does not. But I'm actually going to mix up some gold and use it with these colors. So, and a lot of you guys ask me how I mix my paint, so I figured I might as well show you. So let's do that. I have a cup. This is 7 ounce. I think 7 or 9. I think that's 7 ounces. Okay, and I have my pouring medium. I put it in these old creamer bottles. So I just got some new ones, though. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm going to put about an ounce in the bottom of that. Okay. Stuff on the bottom of my cup. Okay, and then I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to eyeball it. Make sure you guys can see. Pour some paint in there. About that much. Okay. Stir stick. Stir those two together. Now this is kind of cheating because I already know it's not going to need any water after I put the Floetrol in it. Right now it's leaving a very thick mound on a mound, which is pretty good. So I'm going to get the Floetrol. Probably adding like 4 ounces Floetrol. Finally got thick Floetrol again. Okay. So I like the DecoArt Ready to Pour stuff so far. Pretty cool. Okay, see how consistency. Drizzling it off a stick is leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. A little bit more stirring. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so this one is Blue Violet. This is Sky Blue. This one is Tropical Blue. Pretty. And this one is Aquamarine. And I think I have some white from the last, yeah. I have some white also. So I'm going to use that too. It's the same stuff. Just got paint on the outside. Okay, so this is a 12 by 12 canvas. Gallery wrapped. Nice thick edge on there. I'll take the back and put my giant push pins in. I got them from Amazon. I will put a link for you, but if you search giant push pins, you should be able to find them. We're going to do a quick pour for you today. So I'm using the Blue Violet and the Sky Blue and Tropical Blue, and they're white. And then I also have mixed up some Liquitex Basics that also has some ColorShift in it. So it's a little sparkly and a little iridescent. And then I have DecoArt 24 karat gold. Because I don't understand why that's not in the set. So okay, anyway. I'm going to do a ring pour. So let's start off with some gold. This is a 5 ounce cup for a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped canvas. I'm going to put a little bit of white in. I hope there's enough paint left in these. That's my other complaint, is that there's not enough in them. But that's just me. Okay, I'm going to go with my sparkly Dioxizine Purple with the ColorShift in it. And then I'm going to put some of the light blue in. And some of their Blue Violet. And then we're going to go with some gold. And a little bit of the Sky Blue. And then I'm going to put in some of that turquoise. And the rest of their Blue Violet. 4 ounce bottles don't last me very long. Sorry. Okay, a little bit of white. And then I'm going to put some more of this sparkly purple on top. It's a pretty full cup, but it'll be all right. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little puddle and then some on the corners. And just kind of smooth that all out. You guys hear the coyotes? I'm not going to worry about the sides. Okay. Let's do this. Ooh. No weird glare. Okay. Here we go. Pinch the tip of the cup. We're going to do a ring pour. Actually, we're going to do a... Yeah, we're going to do a ring pour. Okay. This stuff is really pretty. It's very silky. Very smooth. Pours nice. That coyote is annoying. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Zoom in so you can see it. Oh my. Okay. Let's tilt this. Oh, let's torch it. So this stuff does make cells. I've gotten cells every time I've used it. Not a ton, but definitely cells. Okay, here we go. Stretch it out just a little bit. Get the weight of the paint moving. Come back to center. Go off the corner there. Come back down. That's pretty. Come back to the middle, and then we're going to go off that side. Oh my God, coyote, thank you. That's pretty cool. Yeah, almost there. Okay. I think we're back to the center. I'm gonna leave that just like that. That's pretty awesome, actually. I have to say. I do like this stuff. So I don't know if I would buy it for myself just because I'm kind of old school and I like to mix my own paint, but I definitely think if you're just starting out and you're not entirely positive if you want to invest a lot of money in canvases and pouring medium and Floetrol, and or you have some, you know, physical limitation that keeps you from being able to sit there and spend a long time mixing, this might be a great option for you. It is beautiful consistency. I bought two sets, the Galaxy set and this Lagoon set. I have added the 24 karat gold to it. It's also DecoArt, so I didn't think it would be that big of a deal. And in this case, I added Liquitex Dioxizine Purple to it also. So this is really pretty. This is that tropical blue. It's like a turquoise. And I've got the white and the gold in the center there with some blue and some purple. It's pretty. I like this a lot. So that turned out really cool. So this is our DecoArt Ready to Pour acrylic mix. So fun stuff. Check it out. I will show you this one at the end of the week when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. Take care of yourselves, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.